Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking to this video. If this is your first time, karibu sana. If this is your second or third time or your returning subscriber, thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe. So today in this video I'm doing a lot, but at this moment I'm going to do laundry because we don't have we don't have washer and dryers installed in our apartment or where we live. We have to go I think it's 7 minutes away to go wash or do laundry. So that's what I was doing here. Here we are here, and there are only a few people. Hakuna watu wengi. Yay. Let's get the soap.
So I'm gonna wash them in these are for dogs because they are mats. So they fix.
One step behind, going down this road again. I don't wanna explain myself. You grasp for every crumb of hope, although you've reached the end of my road. The glimpse that you think you see is nothing You really don't mind if you are wrong. You just need someone around. I'm holding you tight to my grip, a rebound that I found.
So the next thing I want to do is go to Walmart and look for nuts.
Just keeping you in the line. Going down this road again. I don't wanna explain myself. You grasp for every crumb of hope, although you've reached the end of my road.
So we are back, and I'm so tired. I want to look for something to eat before we fold the laundry and clean up, vacuum, clean the floors. Oh my god, it's a lot and I'm already so tired. Oh, okay, let's clean up. Oh no, I need to rest first and also look for something to eat because I'm so hungry. I'm starving.
The glimpse that you think you see ain't nothing that I'll ever be. That's the last I'll ever be. glimpse that you think you see ain't nothing that I'll ever be. That's the last I'll ever be. The other night, saw you glance your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cut right through the crowd. I don't even want to know your name. I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be. I want you.
So I'm done. And these are the clothes. My room is a mess, a whole mess. We are going to clean that up. So let's put these clothes in here.
Too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight. Come with me, and you will see. We are bound to be strangers in the night. Walk the walk, talk the talk, get me through the maze. Dazzled eyes shining bright, a never-ending space. I don't even want to know your name. I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be. I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight. Come with me, and you will see.
So this is how everything looks. That's the trash, laundry, basket, extra blankets and extra beddings. The floor is nice and clean, all vacuumed. The bed is also nice. Desk area, I love it. It's clean. That's how it looks. I love it. Clean. These are the nuts we are going to use, unsalted. Oh, so I've already blended the cassava. This is cassava blended, and I made it look like a paste like. And then we have ndoma here, and then we have this, and then this. We have hot water, and we're going to need some milk. And I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, but
It is, I have some honey.
it's good, it's good, it's good. For those who don't know what it is ndoma, cassava, groundnuts, and milk. And then instead of sugar, you can use sugar. At the same time, you can use honey. But I think honey is much more better. We have... Oh, hi guys, welcome to this video. I'll be doing a few self-care-ish things. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So I have this, it's very hot, it's hot water. I'm using this lid. So I have the hot water in there. I have Q-tips. So you already know what we want to do. We are cleaning this nose ring. Those people said it's going to take, it was supposed to take 6 weeks to heal. I went to a tattoo shop to get my nose pierced, and they send you aftercare instructions via email. They had said you're supposed to use salt and hot water. I did that for the first, I think, 4 weeks, but then it healed on top, it healed, but then underneath it did not heal, so I just stopped. But now I'm carrying water for the night because sometimes we don't have water. And this is me. Yay! That's my mood right now. carry some Oreo for in the morning because I usually get so hungry. So I'll take some, put them here. Those are enough, and then yep, so we're good. So we are 4 minutes early. I'm supposed to clock in at 10 o'clock, and yeah, I'm just thinking I go instead of staying here, and I don't know if there's traffic. So yeah, let's go. I'm already sleepy. Okay, let's go. For those who noticed some sound issue and music issue in my last vlog, thank you so much. So this is when I was editing that vlog and I was so tired and so sleepy, and there's no way I can go back and edit it. So thank you for noticing. I'm working on it right now.